Hemorrhoid No More eBook PDF reviews by Jessica Wright. Why is Hemorrhoid No More the best-selling Hemorrhoids Cure book in internet history, with thousands of satisfied men and women in 127 countries worldwide? Hemorrhoid No More is the #1 best-selling Hemorrhoids Cure ebook in the history of the internet for a reason. Thousands of men and women of almost every age have completely eliminated any hemorrhoids they had and got rid of all hemorrhoids-related symptoms such as pain, irritation, swelling and bleeding naturally, without drugs, risky surgery or magic potions, simply by using the clinically proven, scientifically accurate step-by-step method found inside this amazing Hemorrhoids guidebook. Jessica Wright, a certified nutritionist, health consultant and author, has not just pumped out yet another hemorrhoids program into an already oversaturated market. Jessica's Hemorrhoid No More can be more accurately described as an Hemorrhoids Bible. It is quite simply one of the most comprehensive, complete, and precise guides to hemorrhoids and constipation freedom you will ever read. What makes it so much different than other hemorrhoids publications on the market? Well, first of all, it's not just a hemorrhoids help program, it's an hemorrhoids cure program. This may seem like semantics or wordplay at first, but once you've read just the first chapters, there will be no doubt in your mind that pursuing help with your hemorrhoids is not only the wrong goal, it may be the reason that you've failed to get rid of your hemorrhoids until now. Hemorrhoid No More shows you exactly why you should fix the internal problem that's hindering your chances of getting rid and prevent all types of hemorrhoids and their related symptoms, and then goes on to show you exactly how to do it. Secondly, what makes Hemorrhoid No More different is the amount of attention that is paid to each and every element required to get rid of your hemorrhoids the natural way. Hemorrhoid No More not only thoroughly discusses the lies, myths and fallacies surrounding a very confusing subject, it is simply the most detailed book about hemorrhoids and holistic health ever written. The Hemorrhoid No More book is quite extensive, 170 pages of rock-solid content, which focuses on 100% natural method for getting rid of hemorrhoids and prevent their recurrence quickly. That means there aren't recommendations for harsh prescription drugs, creams or surgeries with nasty side effects. In Hemorrhoid No More core formula section, the 5-step system, nothing is held back. In this section, Jessica gives a detailed overview of each step, and then dives into the specifics in a perfect chronological order. There are also outstanding charts and checklists which make it very easy to know where you are at in the program and follow it. Because the Hemorrhoids Miracle Program is not a quick fix fairy tale cure but a complete holistic solution aimed at eliminating the root cause of hemorrhoids problems regardless of your age and ensure you will get rid of all hemorrhoids related symptoms such as pain, irritation, swelling and bleeding quickly, it does take work and persistence to complete. The dictionary is the only place success comes before work, says Jessica, as he emphasizes that the dictionary is the only place success comes before work philosophy behind the entire book. If there is any drawback to the Hemorrhoid No More ebook, it's that it contains so much information, that some readers may find it a bit overwhelming. Those who are looking for a quick start type of hemorrhoids program, might be a bit intimidated at first. The good part, however, is that even these types of readers can feel confident and assured that it will be worth the effort, because this will literally be the last book they ever have to buy on the subject. Who will benefit most from Hemorrhoid No More? In the broadest sense, anyone and everyone who wants to get rid of hemorrhoids and constipation naturally and regain their natural inner balance will benefit from Hemorrhoid No More. This ebook is honestly for everyone. Even people without hemorrhoids issues. This is a total health rejuvenation program better than 98% of the nutrition and alternative health books on the market. In terms of graphic design, Hemorrhoid No More is a clean and professionally formatted PDF ebook. It is well organized and ideal for printing and reading in the comfort of your own home. This impressive and unique publication has changed many lives, and the hundreds of inspiring testimonials and success stories are found on the Hemorrhoid No More website archives as proof. The bottom line? Anyone looking to be told fairy tales, and anyone looking for magic bullet, pills, over-the-counters, cure hemorrhoids in 2 hours hyped-up programs should not waste his or her time with Hemorrhoid No More. On the other hand, anyone searching for the truth about hemorrhoids and alternative health and who is ready and willing to put in some work and make the lifestyle changes necessary to get rid of their hemorrhoids fast will find Hemorrhoid No More to be one of the best investments they ever made in their lives. Check the description below to learn more about Jessica Wright's Hemorrhoid No More.